To use Klarna Returns. Start by logging into your Klarna account and navigating to the order page where you will see a list of your recent purchases. Identify the order you want to return and click on it to view the order details. In the order details page, you will see a return button. Click on this button to initiate the return process. You will then be asked to select the reason for the return and the items you want to return. Choose the correct reason and select the items you want to send back. Once you have selected the items, you will be provided with a return shipping label. Print this label and attach it to the outside of the return package. Make sure to include all the original packaging and accessories with the item. After packaging the item, ship it back to the retailer using the return shipping label. You can drop off the package at any post office or shipping location. Keep the tracking number for your records as you may need it to track the status of your return. After the retailer receives the returned item, they will process the refund. This can take a few days to a week, depending on the retailer's return policy. Once the refund is processed, you will receive an email notification from Klarna and the refund will be credited back to your original payment method. It is essential to note that you must return the item within the retailer's return window, which is usually 30 days from the date of delivery. You should also ensure that the item is in its original condition with all tags and packaging intact. To avoid any issues with the return process, make sure to read and follow the retailer's return policy and the instructions provided by Klarna. If you have any questions or concerns, you can contact Klarna customer support for assistance. By following these steps, you can easily initiate and complete a return using Klarna. Remember to always keep track of your returns and refunds to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience.